Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to activate a license in the Hyper app. This can be done in two ways, manually and automatically. Let's look at the automatic option. When you need to scan this QR code with your smartphone on the app's home screen, and if you are not logged in, you will need to log in on the website. If you are already logged in, the activation process will begin, and you will need to wait a bit after the website confirms successful activation. You will receive an activation code and the app will automatically pick up the license and start. Now let's consider the second case, which is if you don't have an internet connection or if there are any issues. To activate the license, you need to press the button located below. Here you see the code that you will need to provide to your dealer. The dealer will use this code to activate your license and will then give you their code. Enter this code in this window.